World Equipment Source, it's March 2022. This is a consignment item coming down to our San Diego warehouse. This is a PVA dual head setup currently for silicone conformal coating. This is a Delta 6. It's got a conveyor in the front for loading. It's using pallets that they currently were using for it. It's got an inverter. So the system will work where you actually put the board in, it will conformal coat one side, go back in reverse, flip it over, conformal coat the second side, come into an inspection station here with a black light so you can make sure that you've got a good coating on it, and then going to this dual Delta Therm system where it actually has two systems put together for a larger volume. If you need to run volume, we've got two Delta Therms put together, and then of course the collection conveyor at the end. This is a 2019 line with very low hours. I would say less than 100 hours on it total. It's got a little bit of prototyping on it, and then it was shut down.